Hi, my name's Jacob, and I'm going to introduce you to the Digital Healthy Schools programme, which is a new resource to help you learn about the best ways to look after your health. Everyone knows that it's important to look after your health, but in reality, as most of you are young and healthy, it's not something that's always on your mind. But that doesn't stop it from being important. In fact, your health is so important that the government spends around £120 billion a year on the NHS. That's 120 with 9 zeros after it. Enough for me to buy about 200 million brand new iPhones, or making me 50% richer than the richest man in the world. Despite all that money, the UK still faces many challenges to keeping healthy. Heart problems kill 160,000 people every year. Respiratory diseases, which affect your breathing, are currently suffered by nearly 8 million people. Strokes cause 110,000 deaths every year, and the number of deaths from liver disease continues to increase every year. The worst thing about it is that all these illnesses are often preventable, as in many cases they are caused by obesity, smoking or alcohol misuse. All things which people can change if they know how to. So what can you do to help prevent these problems? It seems that the simple solution is to teach and support people to look after themselves. If they know how to eat healthily, how to exercise properly, and how to stop unhealthy habits, it will prevent more problems in the future and make sure that the people who can't help getting ill get the help they need. But the issue is that, like many of you, when people aren't ill, they don't like to think about being ill. The key word is something called prevention. People can take steps to reduce the risk of becoming unwell. But to be successful, these steps have to be easy, accessible, and interesting. 9 out of 10 young people in the UK have a mobile phone. Maybe you have one in your pocket right now. On your phone, you can probably access the internet and download apps. mHealth, or mobile health, is the key to prevention. You can learn and be supported to keep healthy through apps on your mobile phone. It's easy, accessible, and interesting. As you know, there is a lot of information out there, particularly about health. There are over 300,000 healthcare apps on the App Store, 12,000 alone for mental health and 37,000 for fitness and diet. But you have to be careful. Some apps are great, some apps are terrible, some just want to take your money, and over 60% of them have no user reviews. So where can you go for reliable information on health apps? Well, the Digital Healthy Schools website provides you with information on thousands of apps that you can use to manage your health and help prevent illnesses in the future. All apps on this website have been strictly evaluated. They are reviewed on how well they work and if there are any risks involved in using them. You might have some questions at this point. How can apps help me? How can I access and use this website? And what do I need to know about mHealth? Through 2 lessons, you will have your questions answered and learn a lot about how to smartly make use of the health apps out there. You all have a great opportunity to be involved in learning about how health apps can help you and your loved ones, and how mobile technology can be the key to the UK's healthy future. So get online, get apps, and get healthy with Digital Healthy Schools.